What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.054, down 3.6 on the day. Sitting market cap of 365 million. 24-hour volume, 213 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up to 30K in bonuses or BitGet. This is where I do the majority of my trading, up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Gala Games. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So the more likely scenario, in my opinion, is that we're going to start to retrace, and this ending diagonal would probably look a little something like this. 3, 4, 5 is already complete, and you've come down in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. You're looking to come down in a 3, 4, 5 of a wave A. You would see a 3-wave move in a B, and then a 5-wave move down in a wave C. That's what I think is the likely scenario. The more bullish scenario is that we can still push up in the ending diagonal wave 5, because we have not broke the invalidation point, which is to break below the wave 2 low at 0.046. But if that point does break, then do expect a wave 2 pullback in between 0.21 and 0.32, which is the 0.786, and the 0.5, which is a normal retracement for a wave 2 pullback. All right, gang, we have broken down out of this rising wedge pattern. So your technical target is down here at about 0.046. Now, looking on the daily time frame, we've been watching this divergence. We were pushing up into weekly resistance here for Matic. Sorry, guys, for Gala Games. And the 4-hour bearish divergence has started to play out, and the daily divergence as well. Getting rejected by the 200 EMA on the daily. So if we lose the 20 EMA, your next support will be at the 55, currently coming in about 0.044. I do think there's a high likelihood that this begins to play out. As you can see, we have a nice rising wedge, and we started to lose support. So your target could be the bottom of that wedge, which is currently at 0.043. All right, gang, but if we do break to the upside, then just watch for a wave 5 to potentially take you up to about 0.070. But I think that's a less probable scenario. But of course, anything can happen in the crypto space. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to either BitGet or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. The members like to post their profits in here. Some of them are just absolutely crushing it. And Mahalo all plays, all for the price of a Big Mac meal. Netflix subscription, 10 USD per month. Sign up through the Patreon. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.